Deep in the Papua New Guinea jungle lies Isurava, a small village along the famous Kokoda Track. Each week, several trekking groups move through and stay overnight in Isurava. As a group, they pay a small fee to the landowner of the camping ground. Apart from this small token, little benefit is passed on to the locals. They have inadequate access to healthcare, amenities, warm clothing, and a varied diet. Problems that could improve were they to be involved in the lucrative tourism trade through their village. Yet they are hopeful and grateful. Conversely, the people of Nusa Island in Papua New Guinea's far northern province of New Ireland live a very different story. Due to an eco-resort recently created on their island, whose focus was the involvement and care of the local people, they now have improved healthcare, education, employment, and access to facilities that would have been out of their reach were they to rely on their government. They can now afford to buy food, but most still choose to fish. The difference now is they have a choice. The children of Isurava don't have this choice. The PNG government won't make the change. It's up to the tourist operators and the tourists themselves who walk the Kokoda Track to instigate a change that will help these generous and beautiful people benefit from tourism. Ethical tourism in its varied forms is successful when orchestrated with sagacity and compassion. Please support the local people of the places you visit. You will then play an active role in bringing about positive change, rebalance, and wholeness.